Artificial intelligence, scary or exciting? Busting AI myths. Welcome to our channel all-in-one. Today, we are diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Are you scared of AI or are you excited about its potential? Let's explore the truth behind artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is often portrayed as something scary, but today, we will show you why that's far from the truth. Get ready to bust some AI myths. Myth 1. AI will replace all jobs. One of the most common myths about AI is that it will replace all jobs, rendering humans obsolete. However, the reality is quite different. While AI will undoubtedly automate certain tasks, it also creates new job opportunities. By freeing up humans from repetitive and normal work, AI allows us to focus on more creative and complex tasks. So, instead of fearing job loss, we should embrace the collaboration between humans and AI. Myth 2. AI is only for tech giants. Another myth surrounding AI is that it is only accessible and relevant to tech giants. In reality, AI is transforming various industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and agriculture. From advanced medical diagnoses to personalized learning, AI is making positive contributions across sectors. Its potential extends far beyond the tech world. Myth 3. AI is taking over the world. You might have seen it in movies, AI taking over the world, leading to apocalypse scenarios. However, this is nothing more than fiction. AI systems are designed to help and augment human capabilities, not to dominate. Like any technology, AI is developed based on human intentions and values. Responsible implementation ensures that AI is used for the betterment of society. Myth 4. AI is always objective and unbiased. While AI is incredibly powerful, it is not immune to biases. One common myth is that AI is always objective and unbiased. In reality, AI systems are trained on data collected from the real world, which might contain biases. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure AI algorithms are developed and tested rigorously to minimize any potential biases and promote fairness. Myth 5. AI will become superintelligent and harm humans. The fear of superintelligent AI harming humanity is a myth that often surfaces. Currently, AI systems operate within specific boundaries and lack human-like common sense. Experts in the field continuously work on ensuring AI systems remain beneficial and aligned with human interests. The focus is on developing AI that augments human intelligence, making our lives safer, easier, and more efficient. And there you have it. We've successfully punctured some common myths surrounding artificial intelligence. AI is not something to be scared of, but rather an exciting technology that holds immense potential for positive transformation across industries. Embrace the possibilities, empower yourself with AI knowledge, and join us on the journey toward an AI-powered future. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our AI-related content. Thank you for watching.